traed Alice o'i safbwynt hi wrth iddi fynd i redeg ar hyd yr arfordir.
If you're listening to this, keep going. Keep breathing. Keep putting one foot in front of the other. And don't worry about the dickhead in the lycra shorts lapping you. No one likes to show off. Go at your own pace. Find your own rhythm. Do whatever you need to do. But keep moving forwards and keep listening, because I think you need to hear this, and I think you need to hear it now. Because I remember what it was like to be you. Always one eye on that door, always waiting for my moment to make a break for it. The second I could grab it, out the door, trainers on, down to the water's edge. Wet hair, wind on the face, sand in the trainers, salt on the lips. Freedom for 45 minutes. Too fast to pay any attention to what was happening all around me. I didn't notice the tides turning. Now I need you to stop for a second. Look closely at each step you take. Notice the patterns you are making on this earth. Where's it all leading you to? Is that somewhere you really want to be? Now look at the sea. See? Patterns. In and out. Ebb and flow. Hundreds of years of it. Take a good look at what's swirling around inside you. Stop running away from yourself. Find a pattern that leads you to freedom and follow it. You know what it is? We've all got one. Leave him, kiss her, take up kickboxing, whatever it is. Run headfirst into whatever makes you feel powerful. Because soon, all women are going to need to be really fucking powerful. And believe me, the tides will turn quicker than you think. Don't let them drag you underwater. Don't wait for the flood to notice the water levels rising. Be brave. Be strong. Act now while you still have time. Run like a wolf.